We are very excited because obviously we've got some incredible entertainment coming to our guests on board the Symphony, but it is crunch time right now.
If you think about all the different venues, everything has a process. I mean, from here in the theater to Studio B to the AquaTheater, there's many different layers that need to happen.
When it comes down to crunch time, you know, it's all part of it. Just got to put your head down, get through it, you know, and kind of remember to keep having fun. That's the important part, which is easy to do in Hairspray.
What Royal Caribbean does really well, I think, is pushes the envelope, essentially, taking us to new places. And I think that's what this show is doing. I've never seen a show as technical as this. I've never been part of a show as technical as this.
Okay, we're going to do that once more. We thank you.
It's been a really amazing and also challenging experience because we are blending the art of figure skating with now the state-of-the-art technology. Everyone's talking about our drones, who are also a member of our cast now, all 48 of them.
To make it fit into the show, we thought, oh no, can we do it? But it turned out to be a tremendous opening for us, so I'm really excited for everyone to see that.
The inspiration from Hero is large, and to get it on stage in a technical environment like an AquaTheater, we slowly deconstruct down to very specific disciplines and make sure each one is executing at the level that is needed, and then we take it step by step and layer swimming, diving, dancing, flying, projection, lighting.
We just keep bringing it to the next level, bigger and better, more and more entertainment for our guests to enjoy at every corner. And that feels so good inside because we want our guests to have the best vacation possible.